Here's how to fix the Windows key not working on your keyboard. Start with the quickest check. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Keyboard, and make sure Filter Keys is turned off. Filter Keys is a feature designed to slow keyboard input for accessibility purposes, but it can accidentally disable certain keys, including the Windows key when switched on. Next, open Task Manager, search for Windows Explorer, right-click it, and select Restart. Windows Explorer is the shell that handles the taskbar and start menu. If it is crashed or become unresponsive, the Windows key stops working even though the keyboard itself is fine. If neither of those work, open Device Manager, expand Keyboards, right-click your keyboard, and select Update Driver, then search automatically. An outdated or corrupted keyboard driver is a less obvious but real cause of key failures. Finally, try pressing Fn and the Windows key together. On many laptops, this is a lock toggle that disables the Windows key entirely to prevent accidental presses during gaming. For gaming keyboard users specifically, Corsair keyboards have a lock button in the top right corner that disables the Windows key. HyperX keyboards use the buttons in the top left area near the G square icon. Razer keyboards use Fn plus F10, which toggles game mode, disabling the Windows key as part of that mode. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.